To explain the limit on this acceleration resistance problem that was gone over, let's take a look here again. I'm just going to copy this limit as t goes to infinity of 40 e to the t over 5 minus 40 over 1 plus e to the t over 5. The way that we want to address this here, zoom in on this problem, is that the constants, the 1 on the bottom and the negative 40 on top, are going to become inconsequential as t gets really big. When I say really, I mean really big, right? I mean, it doesn't even have to get that big. We have an exponential, so e to the t over 5 is growing pretty fast. So as t gets big, the 40, this is going to limit out to, we still have a limit, we haven't taken it quite yet. It's going to limit out to the 40 e to the t over 5, which is going to be a huge number over e to the t over 5. The 40 and the 1 just are going to mean less and less in the big ratio. So if we take this, the e to the t over 5s can reduce, and we just get a 40 out of this. This is a standard technique that people in physics use more than mathematics. So you could multiply top and bottom by 1 over e to the t over 5, but it's just not necessary here. If we think of this in like a Calc 1 term, we have an infinity over infinity situation. And when we have an infinity over infinity situation, then we really want to look at what's growing the fastest on top and what's growing the fastest on the bottom. And those terms are going to be what really drives the ratio as t gets really big. So we could even show this as an example. If I try t equals, let's just do like 100. This is going to be ridiculous because of the exponential here. So if I do 40 e to the t over 5 minus 40 over 1 plus, I'm sorry, I wanted to replace the t with 100 over 5, plus 1 plus e to the 100 over 5 on the bottom. Let's get this number, and then we're going to compare that to 40 e to the 100 over 5 over e to the 100 over 5. We're going to do this in two separate steps here. I really want to break this down for you and to make sure you're understanding how this is getting put together. 1 second to pull up a calculator.